Here is a current progress on my layout. Haven't uploaded videos in quite some time. Reason for that is because I purchased my second home a few months ago and had not started working on my layout until about a week or two ago. This is the lower level of my layout so far. I plan on adding an upper level. Dimensions on this layout are 14 feet against that wall by 12.5 feet. As you guys can see, it has a middle peninsula, and eventually there'll be another peninsula on top of that one. Here is where we will have the helix to take us to the upper level and bring us down to the lower. It will have double track, since I want my layout to have continuous running. That way train goes to the lower level. Once it gets to the helix, it takes you to the upper level, goes around the upper level, and once it gets to the helix, it'll come down on the other track of the helix to take it to the lower level. Continuous running. So that's the plan. Just finished working on the bridge, the lower bridge, or I should say lift up bridge. Here, have some hinges there. And so far I'm happy how it turned out. I still need to add plywood on this side of the layout, as you guys can tell. This section here was from my previous layout, so I managed to save that and add it to this layout. A lot of it, actually, in those sections there standing up are from my old layout when I used to live in another house in Anaheim. I had this in a backyard shed, and I'm planning to add that to the second level of this layout. And this is from my previous layout, from my first home that I purchased. So I managed to add it to this layout. So far I'm happy how it's turning out. And here's another view from the other side inside the layout. That piece of plywood over there is actually an in-scale layout that I built for my son. It's just sitting there collecting dust and whatnot. Some of the recent purchases through eBay. This Kato unit. It's a Chicago Northwestern. What is it? A C44-9. I hope I have it correctly. Those 3 Bachmann heavyweight passenger cars there, brand new, for $40 free shipping. Thought it was a good deal. What else? And some either that's it or that's it of the Kato well cars. It was brand new, the set that I got from eBay for $55, free shipping. That was a good deal as well. Yeah, so I got either that set or this 3-car set. I don't know which one it was, but the other one I had already. Anything else? Okay, here's another engine that I just recently purchased through eBay as well. Been wanting to get one of these for quite some time, but they're always over $130, so I couldn't afford that. So I picked it up for under $100, which I was very happy. Actually, got it for around $50. That's because one of the side frames on the truck is missing on the other side. When I purchased that through Kato, they sell you the set for $5. But besides that, it's pretty much new. Here's shelves that I recently created or made or built since the garage had no shelving. All of this that you see there was just laying here in the middle of the garage, and that is the reason why I had not started working on my layout. Finally I got that done, put most of the stuff that we have here, just junk, just put it on the shelves, and now I have space. I'm happy about that. And there I could also use it to store all my engines, so all my train stuff. Here's another engine that I don't think you guys have seen that I picked up at a train show. It's a SD50 Proto 2000 Rio Grande paint scheme. It says $65 there. I brought it down to about $52, $53. That's all I had in my pocket at that time. So yeah, I like it. It runs nice and smooth, and it's good. It goes good with my other Rio Grande Kato that I have. It's a SD45. So I'm happy with that. Well, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Look for more videos in the future. And thank you for watching. And I will catch you guys on the next video.